Using technology based games in the classroom can be productive and provide a way to deliver a motivating and effective learning medium for students. Robler and Hughes, 2023. Games that have been created for the purpose of learning and collaboration are called serious games. Robler and Hughes, 2023, explain that serious games tend to involve collaborative features in which other learners are involved in gameplay. One benefit of using games in the classroom is that there is a wide variety of games and activities that cover many different subject areas and content. There are many different types of instructional games, including strategy games, puzzles, and immersive learning experiences. They allow students to work toward higher level thinking skills. By playing instructional games, students are exposed to problem based learning, collaborative learning, and realistic and immersive learning experiences. Robler and Hughes, 2023. In the area of mathematics, it has been shown that educational games can provide engaging, challenging, and competitive learning tasks, which can improve learners' motivation toward and confidence in mathematics. Ari et al., 2020. While there are many benefits to using instructional technology based games, there are some challenges that also present themselves through the use of these games. Most students are enthralled by the idea of a game and may not realize they are learning through gaming. While this may sound like an innovative way to change learning mediums, some researchers believe that a student's intrinsic motivation to learn goes away due to the constant need for validation and competitiveness given through gaming. Although also, through the disguise of learning through gaming, there is some research that shows a disconnect between successfully completing the content in the game and not completing the content in a non game scenario. Robler and Hughes, 2023. While wanting to utilize serious games or instructional games in my classroom, I want to make sure that the games are aligned with the standards and the content being taught. I do not rely on games to teach content, but to give students real life connections and examples to what I am also teaching in whole and small group lessons. I also make sure to test out the game first before ever letting a student lay hands on that game. I think in order for the game to be a productive use of time, I must know the program, how the program works, and help students use it to its full potential. While using technology is becoming more common and readily available in schools, there are times when using technology may not be appropriate. It is important that when using technology, that all students are involved and can collaborate or use the games effectively. Instructional gaming may not be appropriate when first introducing a new concept to students. It is important to follow errorless teaching and not allow students to learn a new concept incorrectly. This may happen if instructional games cannot be monitored closely. It is also important to set clear and direct expectations before allowing students to play instructional games. It is not meant to be a battle, but a friendly competition to encourage others to do their best. Thanks.